Guys, it is. Oh, wait a minute. I got a slime package order. Slime squishies. I ordered, so yeah. I don't really like have a list. I have memorized in my head because I like dumb types. So yeah. So first thing I want was a cloud slime, cherry scented. I do have a mini cloud slime. It's not really cloud slime that much. It was, but then I added more slime into it. And it's not cherry scented. I don't know if I said that or not. It's in this big container, but she won't mind. It's okay. Okay. Next, one she ordered was a candle slime. Well, actually, a Nickelodeon slime. I have this Nickelodeon slime, but I like it a lot. I mean, like, it's really stretchy and all. It also smells like baby like lotion because I put corn custard lotion in. It smells amazing. So I'll just give her this failed candle slime. I mean, like it smells really good, but it's hard. So I'll give her this. She will actually. To be kind, to be nice, I'll give her this mini butter slime. Yeah, Mom. Sorry, it's my mom's always calling out my name. It's a butter slime. It's stretchy. Stuck to them. And then the last thing on their list that they wanted was an eye bloom strawberry. I don't have an eye bloom strawberry, but I have this strawberry. I guess it's pretty slow rising. It smells really good. Well, it kind of went away, but they're getting this no matter what. This even might be better than eye bloom strawberry. I mean, like, it's kind of defected at the top. Like, see, like over here, right there. But she won't mind. And next thing that she wanted was some extras, so I'll give her this much. I'll give them this weird amethyst crystal. I'll give them this failed candle slime, but definitely not this one. And I'll give them a fidget spinner. It says Atna on it. It doesn't matter though. Okay. Now I got nice shipping, plus she's paid for the most expensive. Oh. So this is the least that I'm going to do. But wait, oh, I forgot this extra, but doesn't matter. Let's send it off to her. Hey guys, it is Teresa here, and I finally got my slime package in the mail. It's been about 2 weeks. I don't know why it's been that long. I'm plugging something. I don't know why it's been that long. It's been a while though. Well, slime is less squishy things. So yeah, let's get on to the package. First thing that I pull out, I've never ordered a candle slime. This candle slime has a very weird texture. It almost feels hard. I can tell it's a candle slime because it has a candle on the bottom. And they didn't give me a note. So, yeah. I think this was like an extra, like, they tried to make candle slime for the first time. And then they gave me a little piece of it. So, I like it. It smells really good too. I get mark, okay. Now, I'm assuming that this is another extra. I guarantee you guys it's not, though. What is going on? Like, I paid literally $150 for this whole slime squishy package. I paid $25 for absolutely no reason. I think this is my cloud cherry scented slime. I ordered like a 4 ounce of this or something. I don't know how many ounces I ordered. I forgot. The person had it though. Does this seem like half an ounce to you at all? Like, is this even like... Does this seem like half an ounce to you at all? These are 14 milliliters. Next thing. So I am assuming that this is why squishy. Look how many defects it has, like. That's ridiculous. Is it even eye bloom? It's not eye bloom, guys. It's not even close to eye bloom. I mean, like, it's slow rising and stuff, but it kind of smells good. I think the scent went away. And look, there's blue marker right there. Look right there. That's ridiculous. And last time I ordered from a different person, and I did get my Nickelodeon slime from my other person. I know what this texture feels like, because they made this out of the Nickelodeon slime kit, which I'm happy about that. And technically it is a homemade slime because they made it at home, and they like didn't prepare it. They made it. So yeah, this is another Nickelodeon slime from a different person. And I like this one, so I hope the Nickelodeon that I got from theirs was that color, was this color, because they had the same thing on it, because they both share like the different slime shop, but like the same slimes kind of. So yeah. Okay, so I never ordered a floam. And I'm assuming that this is a butter slime and a cloud slime mixed together. I think that's called a cloud cream. I don't know. I'm just gonna call it dough. It's kind of hard, but it's okay. I'll show you how many foam beads fell out of this one. And I was like, it's like an extra, but look. Do you see how many foam beads fell out? Like, but at least it. Oh my god, my sister's farting. But at least it's an extra. I mean, like. I never ordered a fidget spinner. like so far, the best part about it was probably the squishy, because I know it's not eyeball, but it's I guess it's just a squishy. But the other best part about it is that all the extras. Like, honestly, like, I found a charm that they gave me, so I put it in the slime. It was on a strawberry. And the other best parts about it, like I said, was all the extras that they gave me. Like, they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4 extras, but I'm not going to put the fourth one yet. This is not like a real fidget spinner. It says Atna on it. Like, it is a real fidget spinner. It's like real quality. It's just like an Atna fidget spinner. Look what I can do. I can balance it on my thumb. And I can balance it on my middle finger. Oh, my dog jumped up on the window. But I just guess this fidget spinner is amazing. So yeah, next thing, the last thing in the box. And I thought this was gonna be good because it has like good quality shipping. Like, I paid for the most expensive shipping there, and the most expensive was this box. It was, I think, $8 for shipping. But yeah, I paid for the most expensive. The least expensive was a bag. The second expensive was, the most expensive, not the least expensive. The other, like, one that was okay was like one of those packaging bags. So the first one was just like a plastic bag. Oh, I need to take my shoes off. They're literally killing my. Okay, so guys, the last extra is this amethyst crystal, and it looks like it's pretty real. Sounds pretty real. Looks pretty real. So yeah, I guess I like this so much. Honestly, I just want to play with my Nickelodeon slime. Like, it's not gonna be hard to find the charm. I mean, like I can obviously see it. So this is the charm. It's a heart. It's in a heart. It's a flower charm. It'd be amazing if I had like a bunch of them in like one slime. That'd be pretty. Oh, and this one I would. Guys, look, watch. So yeah, just like the slime, right? So guys, if you liked my squishy / slime scammer skit, comment down below. I actually enjoyed it too. I enjoyed doing it. So yeah, these are all my personal slimes. All these are my personal slimes. I did buy cloud slime, a foam slime, and a butter slime. But the clouds I put candle wax into this, so now it messed it up. And that's why I have this much left. And then this is butter slime and a brick, like a foam slime mixed together. And this is a slime that my friend gave me today. I don't know. It's a store-bought slime. She bought it at the store because she got 3 pounds of it. And this is my charm that I got from my real slime package. This is the real thing that I used for it too. And then this is my real squishy that I got from my friend today. It's pretty soul rising. Like, honestly, it is. So yeah, and this is my fidget spinner that I also got from my friend. So most of these things I got from my friends. I also got this amethyst from my friend. It's real. Yes, my sister did fart in the background, but what matters? Every person does fart. And this slime isn't the best slime. Like, it's like a stretchy putty. Kind of, because it smells good. I put lotion in it. But it's kind of like a stretchier kind of putty. And I like this slime though. I'm hopefully gonna get another squishy and more slime tomorrow for my friend. Like every day that my friends are gonna, every day my friends tell me like they're gonna get me slime like a squishy. Like it's like it takes forever to wait for my friends. So yeah, but getting off track. I hope you guys liked my squishy and slime scammer skit. And I will see you guys in my next vlog, I guess. Bye.